time again. Christmas is here. This has been the Michael's Grab Bags. This is, oh, did I say welcome? Welcome, everybody. This has been the most bizarre one. Look at these size of these boxes. These are not normal grab bags, not boxes, nothing. These are huge. This one's on the table. You know how I tip these for you, right, guys? This thing is mammoth. I don't think it's doing it justice. And then I got a couple more. Mammoth. Mammoth. This box, tall as me. It's crazy. I can't wait to unbox these. We're going to do 4, probably, we'll have at least 2 videos, maybe 3, depends. But, wow. Wow. I can't wait to get into it, so let's go. Okay, I don't know how this is going to work, because it's huge, and I like to tip. I gotta take this one off. But look at the size, guys. I see he used an Easter box. I say he because he just finished up boxing them at 9 o'clock. He said he did it in 15 minutes, but, and he used these huge boxes. And there's still more there. How many did I get? 13? Total? Because that's all that fit in the truck. Oh, we got a garland. Big things. Sorry. I had to undo this before. Ta-da! Alright. Oh, I think we have wreaths. Ha 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 ha. Yep, we have wreaths. $100 wreath right on top. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Colleen, I don't know where you were, hon. I looked for you. Clifton Park, I thought we'd see you. This is where these are from, hon. And they were boxes like no other. That's cool. That's nice. Gingerbread wreath. That's really nice. Really nice. Oh, and a purple one. I think there's 2 of those. Purple and teal. Not the most popular color, but won't they look beautiful in the shop, ladies? And gents, if there's any. I really like that. Put the center one. I like it. As you can see, there's another one. Oh, maybe you can't. Let me take these out. There's another one just like the one I just showed you. See? $150 price tag. Oh. Ooh, this one's nice. Merry and Bright. Oh, too much room. I think I got this one in another box somewhere. I remember seeing, I peeked in one box. It was so light, you got to peek in a couple. Didn't peek in this one. That's what I saw in this box. I like that. That's really pretty. You know, the nice stuff. Like that. They got their plastic in there to keep their shape. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wreaths for $4. Okay, box number 2. I cut it before. I didn't peek. And these boxes big and no peeky holes on the end. So, not a clue. Just by weight. That's all I can tell in noise. I know I was going to try to avoid these, but luckily it doesn't look like a lot. Because I got so much of it. So much, dude. We got the garland box on top. Oh dear. Hey, a pretty white set of garland. And what do we got here? Let's check some. Oh, those lights. The bug lights. Nice. That can stay out nice in summer and spring. Pretty yellow. There's the other one. I knew there's 2. Yep. My mom got a couple of these red ones. Yep, work. That's why the yellow ones didn't sell it as Christmassy. Well, they are when you put the color. Wait, oh, her press button's on the inside. Okay, we'll just assume that one works too. Is that it for hard goods? I think so. Yep, we're dealing with a lot of garland. that white poinsettia garland's new. This, half as thick as it was last year. This is just skinny. Last year was thick. You know what I mean. Like 4-inch thick. The only two I'm seeing are those two. White poinsettias. That's pretty though. And then my black and white shop. Ooh, these might be the ones I decorate the shop for. Oh, we got something good on the bottom. We got more of this too, by the way. We got something on the bottom. 2 of them. Gave us a little gold on the back. Not that all that ain't worth $4. But look, we got some mirrors. All is calm. All is bright. Made to look old. Can you say? See, it's got the, like it's been pulled off the mirror. Nice. 2 of them. Good. Got holes on the bottom. See through. Look gold. Nice. Great $4 bag. Number 3. This one was boxed and look, it's crisscross. Look at the mess. That was mostly box number 1. Yep, same stuff. More garland. Let's see. I can move that box back. Bigger. Like. Oh dear. Gold with pine cones. Okay, got some more white poinsettia. Gold. Gold, white. Yeah, he mixed it a little bit again. Red. Because we still got green. I don't know. Wow, this one's almost identical to the other one. Except for, oh, stand. I hear my cat meowing. He wants me to come over there and pet him, and he won't come down into this room because the dogs are here. So he's bellowing. I told him after I'm done, I'll come pet you. There. That can't be right either. I don't know. I got it on wrong still. But Joyous Noel? Joyous Noel? Is that what it's supposed to be? I don't really like the clear glass things. They're tricky to decorate, but... And one more of these. It's great. Ta-da! That was alright. Shit'll do. On to the next. Last one, actually, yeah. So I think I'm only going to do one more, I think. We'll see. Maybe I'll do 5. We'll see. Be right back. Okay, this next one, I'm not going to be able to tip it. I was right. He was right when he told me what was in it. It's full of heavy stuff. This is something different. I'd melt for you. That's a cute one. Oh, nice pretty green on the inside. Nice mug. I'd melt for you. I like that. Kind of mixed, but he said color changing. I don't know why he said color. He was actually, because he was still there when we came around the corner, and there's not a single grab bag ticket on here. Not a one. Me and my mom and this other 2 ladies, they do the same thing. That's 4. 5, 6. He said it was full. Guess he wasn't kidding. 7, 8. Now we got I'll give every customer during the month of December, we get a free pack of hooks. I'll put them in a basket. Tell everybody who checks out the store, take one. Right? Because I know on the top of one of those tall boxes, more of these. This is the first one I've ever gotten. So, that's a good one. Besides, there's a lot of good stuff in this. Hey! One besides yellow. So now it's some red. Look at that, Ma. Oh, it's lighters inside. We got 1, 2, 3 red ones. This box is the closest they get to the normal size box. Great grab bag box. Got the red. That one's inside too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 ball jars. He said there was ball jars in there. And I go, oh, like the ones you bought for $4. Awesome. Love it. Okay, so those were nice and quick. Those were 4. I'm going to do this 5th one. I'm going to try. I might have to re-edit this. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. The box is really big, guys. It's long. This is the longest one I got. But I got 2 more in the living room. Are 4 inches tall, or 4 inches. Oh, there goes the top. 4 feet tall. I have been in this one because Mom wanted a pillow. She was getting one of those pillows. Because you can see a little peek in the box. There, you can see in it. It's just, it's 4 feet deep. Mom got one of these. I got one for the shop. Naughty nice envelopes with a letter. You can switch it around if you're naughty or nice. 2 of those pillows. Both of them so sparkly. Goes without saying, right? Oh goodness. That's a ways down. Oh, seeing those trees reminds me. Excuse me, guys. Of a story. I have 2 Michaels that I go to. Sometimes 3. Oh, holy night. Don't sing for the people that don't want to hear you sing. Sorry, sometimes I forget. It's like I'm just around my buddies, you know. Which I am, but I don't know you, but you know what I mean, guys. But I love having you here. I just love it. Thank you for all my new subscribers and current subscribers. Appreciate you all so much. Oh, holy night, 2 of them. Anyways, back to the silly story. They have these. My other store hasn't even had all theirs packed up. I don't know about these girls. I'm gonna need some. You can see why they're still out there. Look at that poor thing. It's got a nice wooden base. You can always reuse it with a. I really like the pine cone, the brush bottle trees. On this side, even up here, it looks like a bunch of cobwebs. She needs some TLC. Put some pretties in her. They still had these on the shelves at my other store. Hadn't even packed all their stuff up yet. Nobody was packing the rest of it. Wasn't much, but these were still on their shelf. 2 of these. They're styrofoam. I don't know. I don't know why who would think the designer thought those were pretty. I guess if you jazz them up. Huh, that's a long way down there. That's a long way, guys. I saw this in there, and I got the box. Choose one because odd-shaped boxes. I'll tell you, always the best to get those. The guy smiled. The guy who had packed them up, he was still there when we came in, and he was giving. If you asked him a certain thing, he'd give you a little hint what was in and where it was. Helped, got the boat carts for us, and he was so helpful. But anyway, jingle jingle. I bought one of these 80% off because they remind me of the kind of like a Who tree, you know, the whimsy. I love it. I got this one and the bigger one when they were 80% off because I wasn't going to chance not getting one in a grab bag. But I knew the store had some left because we did a little pre-scouting last week. Oh my goodness, maybe if I jostle it down. There we go. Ta-da! Another one of those. Oh, holy night. That my other store had a bunch of these still left too on the shelf. With these and these. So they must have been put on the shelf in the same area. Hey! Oh, cool. Table scatter. But I would use them for crafts. Look, they look like little poinsettias and they're different colored. Put one back there too. I want to open them. Ooh. Oh yeah. I guess some are poinsettias. I guess they're all supposed to be poinsettias. Silver ones, green ones. Yep, green, red, but in glitter. Yeah, those would be great for arts and crafts, you know, the little assemblage and stuff. That would be nice. Yay! I like that. It's open. Can't put that back. Bulbs! Haha. Yay! That is the bigger size. Usually when I make my wreath, it's the next size smaller. These are one size bigger. I have used these on occasion, though. It just makes the wreath dimensions different, the bulbs, when you put them together. So, if I get a lot of them, because I do love red and white, especially red bulbs, I always need white ones for the wreaths. Oh, look at this! Oh my goodness. Santa, please stop here. Nobody wants to pick Santa. Look at those. Those are pretty. We got a lot of them, guys. 4. This out of the way. Same thing. It's a bigger bulb. I always need green and white. Green and white. Because you don't get them. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This house believes. Love them. I love that. Begging Santa to stop here. Nah, because Santa stops at every child's house. You don't have to ask Santa to stop. I would never let my children think we had to do that. Look at all these. My goodness, he put them all in here. Wow. That's some serious stock. That's the only way to get this stuff out anyways. I don't know what the pog set box. Candy. Ribbon candy. Sweet Tooth Fairy. Ribbon pops. Huh. Yellow. Gold, maybe Christmas. Christmas color, maybe. More of those. Wow. They didn't do too well today. This one I love because, of course, the retro looking. Those. You would think this one was sold better. I will be putting them back in there, needless to say. Wow. That's, oh my. There. Ugh, empty. Wow, guys. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 of the red ones. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 of the white ones. 11 each. Jeez, they're going to sell one of each, get a dozen, sold one of each. That's what it seems like. Let's talk about some serious stock. Cool. Alright. I think that's good. I'm going to end it on that one, guys. So I can get this uploaded and edited and uploaded for you tonight. Or at least in the morning, first thing. Uploaded. Get it edited tonight. We'll see. I like to get them up quick for you because I'm anxious to see it, and I'm sure you guys are anxious to see it too. Look at all this stuff. Leaving Michael out. And if I have enough daylight time, we'll see. I'll go ahead and I'll record the next unboxing, and we'll get that uploaded tomorrow too, late tomorrow. Alright guys, till the next one, TTFN.